castor oil. Thick, golden, and often overlooked. But within this humble oil lies one of nature's best-kept beauty secrets, what many now call nature's Botox. For centuries, castor oil has been used to nourish, repair, and rejuvenate the skin. Today, science is finally catching up to what ancient wisdom always knew. Castor oil can help smooth fine lines, boost collagen, and give your skin a radiant, youthful glow. No needles, no harsh chemicals, just one ingredient. So how does it work? Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that penetrates deeply into the skin. It hydrates from within, reduces inflammation, and stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, two proteins that keep your skin firm and supple. It's also packed with antioxidants, which fight free radicals, those unstable molecules that accelerate aging. The result? Skin that looks brighter, tighter, and more alive. Here's how to use castor oil for glowing, youthful skin. Start with clean skin. Use a gentle cleanser to remove makeup, dirt, and oil. Pat your face dry with a soft towel. Now, take just a few drops of cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. This is the purest form. Warm it between your fingers. Then gently massage it into your skin in upward, circular motions. Pay special attention to fine lines around the eyes, forehead, and mouth. Leave it on overnight. While you sleep, the oil will work its magic, moisturizing, repairing, and renewing your skin. In the morning, rinse with warm water or a gentle cleanser. Use it 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Want to amplify its effects? Mix castor oil with a few drops of rosehip oil or vitamin E oil. Or for a relaxing ritual, apply it before a warm towel compress to help the oil penetrate even deeper. Over time, you'll notice fewer lines, smoother texture, and a natural dewy glow that no highlighter can fake. No injections, no filters, just nature, doing what it does best. Let castor oil remind your skin how to shine, because beauty doesn't have to be artificial. It can be as simple as a seed pressed into gold. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-expanding educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.